How to add a table of contents in Word. Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, we will figure out how to do this step by step. 1. Enter the Word file to which you need to add the table of contents. 2. Before adding it, you need to indicate the name of each of the topics that are in your text. To do this, select them and select in this panel what your text, title or heading will be. You can also choose the gradation of the headings. 3. Click References in the top menu, Table of Contents. 4. Select Automatic Table. That's it. The automatic title will adjust to the text, so if you have changed the location of the title, click on the Table of Contents, Update Table, Update Page Number only. If the name has been changed, update the entire table. You can also select a custom table of contents and customize the number of titles and the style of the table of contents. Don't forget to subscribe and watch other guides from us.